Frizz, uneven texture, heat damage, and long styling time are common struggles when using traditional flat irons or blow dryers without proper control. A straightening brush changes the routine by combining brushing and heat styling in one tool, making hair smoother with less effort. In this video, a complete breakdown of the best hair straightening brushes is presented, focusing on heat performance, safety, usability, durability, and real styling efficiency, so users can choose the right option for consistent salon-level results at home.
Kicking off our list at number 1, Straightening Technology Frizz-Free Dual Voltage Straightener Brush. The Straightening Technology Frizz-Free Dual Voltage Straightener Brush is designed for users who need smooth, straight results with reduced frizz while maintaining global usability through dual voltage support. It focuses on combining heating precision with brushing control to create sleek hair without multiple tools. This design is suitable for individuals who travel frequently or want a single tool that works efficiently across different electrical systems while delivering consistent straightening performance for everyday styling needs. Key features: this brush integrates straightening technology that distributes heat evenly across bristles to ensure uniform smoothing. The dual voltage system allows compatibility across international power standards, making it travel-friendly. The bristle design is engineered to glide through hair while applying controlled heat to reduce frizz. Temperature stability helps prevent overheating, while the brush surface is designed to protect hair cuticles during styling. The structure supports quick heat-up time for efficient daily use. Benefits and usage: this straightener brush helps users achieve smooth and straight hair without requiring multiple passes or excessive heat exposure. It reduces styling time significantly while improving hair manageability and shine. It is especially beneficial for people with frizzy or wavy hair who want quick daily styling. Users can section hair and slowly glide the brush from root to tip for even straightening results. It maintains a natural finish without overly flattening hair texture. Usability: the brush is easy to operate, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Its ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip during styling sessions. The bristle spacing allows smooth detangling while straightening at the same time. It works effectively on medium to long hair and is suitable for daily styling routines. The dual voltage feature increases convenience for travel use without needing converters.
In the second spot, we have Straightener MiroPure Straightening Anti-Scald Temperature Brush. The MiroPure Straightening Anti-Scald Temperature Brush is designed for users who want safe and controlled straightening performance with enhanced heat protection. It focuses on anti-scald technology combined with stable temperature control to reduce hair damage risks while delivering smooth and manageable results. This tool is ideal for users who prioritize safety and ease of use while achieving salon-style straight hair at home without complex styling tools or techniques. Key features: this brush includes anti-scald design elements that protect the scalp and hands from direct heat exposure. Temperature control technology ensures consistent heat distribution throughout the brush surface. The ceramic-infused bristles help reduce frizz while enhancing smoothness. The brush heats up quickly for efficient styling sessions. It is compatible with multiple hair types, including thick, fine, and wavy textures, ensuring versatility in everyday use. Benefits and usage: this straightening brush allows users to achieve smooth hair with reduced risk of heat burns or damage. It improves hair softness and shine while reducing frizz significantly. It is ideal for quick morning routines where time efficiency is important. Users can glide the brush slowly through sections of hair for controlled straightening without applying excessive pressure or repeated passes. It helps maintain a natural straight look without flattening volume completely. Usability: the MiroPure brush is user-friendly and designed for simple operation. Its lightweight structure ensures easy handling during styling sessions. The ergonomic grip allows stable control, reducing hand fatigue during longer use. It is suitable for both beginners and advanced users who want safe and quick styling results. The brush works well on medium to long hair lengths and provides consistent output across different hair texture. Durability: built with heat-resistant materials and reinforced internal components, this brush is designed for long-term daily use. The bristles remain stable under repeated heat exposure, ensuring consistent straightening performance. The heating system maintains stability over time, making it reliable for regular styling routines without performance decline.
Coming in at number 3 is the MegaWise Straightener Universal Anti-Scald Straightening Brush. The MegaWise Straightener Universal Anti-Scald Straightening Brush is designed for users seeking universal compatibility combined with safe styling performance. It focuses on delivering smooth straightening results while preventing heat-related discomfort through advanced anti-scald design. This tool is ideal for households with multiple users or individuals who want a reliable and safe styling brush that performs consistently across different hair types and styling needs. Key features: this brush includes universal voltage compatibility, making it suitable for international use without additional adapters. Anti-scald technology ensures safe handling during operation. The heating system distributes temperature evenly across bristles for uniform straightening results. Ceramic-infused components help reduce frizz and improve shine. The brush design supports fast heat-up time, allowing quick styling sessions for daily use without long waiting periods. Benefits and usage. This straightening brush provides smooth, frizz-free results while maintaining hair safety during styling. It helps reduce styling time while improving hair manageability and softness. It is ideal for users who want quick and efficient straightening without using flat irons. Users can glide through sections of hair for consistent smoothing while maintaining natural volume and movement. It is suitable for everyday use and travel styling routines. Usability. The MegaWise brush is easy to use and comfortable to handle, making it suitable for beginners and frequent users. Its ergonomic design ensures stable grip during styling. The bristle structure allows smooth detangling and straightening simultaneously. It performs well on various hair types, including thick and slightly curly textures. Its universal voltage feature adds convenience for global use. Durability. Constructed with durable, heat-resistant materials, this brush is built for long-term performance. The internal heating system maintains stable output even after repeated usage. The bristles are designed to withstand continuous heat exposure without deformation, ensuring reliable straightening performance over time.
Taking our fourth spot is Wavytalk Straightener Nourishing Experiences Brush. The Wavytalk Straightening Nourishing Experiences Brush is designed for users who want straightening performance combined with hair-friendly heat control that supports smoother texture and reduced dryness. It focuses on delivering a nourishing straightening experience by balancing heat distribution with bristle technology that helps maintain hair softness. This brush is suitable for users who want daily styling without sacrificing hair health, especially for frizz-prone and chemically treated hair types needing gentle straightening care. Key features. This brush integrates heat-balanced straightening technology that reduces hot spots and distributes warmth evenly across hair strands. The bristles are designed to glide smoothly while minimizing pulling and breakage. The heating system supports consistent temperature control for stable styling results. It includes fast heating capability for efficient use during daily routines. The brush surface is engineered to reduce static buildup while improving shine and smoothness during straightening sessions. Benefits and usage. This brush helps users achieve straight, soft, and smooth hair while maintaining moisture balance. It reduces frizz and improves hair manageability, making styling easier and faster. It is ideal for users who want a natural straight look without harsh flattening effects. Users can section hair and slowly glide the brush from root to tip for even straightening. It enhances shine while preserving natural hair movement and softness. Usability. The Wavytalk brush is designed for simple operation, making it beginner-friendly and convenient for daily use. Its lightweight build ensures easy handling during longer styling sessions. The ergonomic grip provides stability and comfort. It works well for medium to long hair and supports quick styling routines. It is suitable for home use where consistent results and ease of handling are important factors. Durability. Built with heat-resistant materials, this brush is designed for long-term reliability. The bristles maintain their structure under repeated heat exposure. The heating system is engineered for consistent performance over time, ensuring stable straightening results even with frequent use.
At number 5, we have REVLON Tourmaline Technology Detangles Salon-Quality Straightening Brush. The REVLON Tourmaline Technology Detangles Salon-Quality Straightening Brush is designed for users who want professional salon-inspired straightening combined with detangling efficiency. It focuses on reducing frizz while improving smoothness through tourmaline-infused heat technology. This brush is ideal for users who struggle with tangled hair and want a single tool that can detangle, smooth, and straighten simultaneously with consistent performance and minimal effort. Key features. This brush uses tourmaline technology that helps reduce static electricity and enhance shine. The detangling bristle structure allows smooth brushing while straightening hair simultaneously. Heat distribution is designed to minimize hot spots and ensure even styling results. The brush includes multiple heat settings for different hair types. It heats quickly and maintains stable temperature output for consistent styling control during use. Benefits and usage. This brush provides smooth and polished straight hair while reducing frizz and tangling issues. It is especially useful for users with thick or knot-prone hair. It reduces styling time by combining detangling and straightening in one step. Users can gently glide through sections of hair for soft and shiny results without excessive heat exposure. It delivers a salon-quality finish suitable for everyday styling routines. Usability.
The REVLON brush is easy to use and comfortable for all experience levels. Its ergonomic design ensures stable grip and smooth handling. The bristle layout allows efficient detangling without pulling. It is suitable for medium to long hair lengths and works effectively for daily styling. The multiple heat settings provide flexibility for different hair textures. Durability. Constructed with durable tourmaline-infused materials, this brush is designed for long-term performance. The bristles remain intact under regular use, and the heating system maintains consistent output over time. It is built for frequent styling routines without loss of efficiency.
Landing at number 6 is the Cordless Straightener Temperature Settings Portable Brush. The Cordless Straightener Temperature Settings Portable Brush is designed for users who need maximum mobility and flexibility in hairstyling. It focuses on cordless convenience combined with adjustable temperature settings, allowing users to straighten hair anytime without being restricted by power outlets. This brush is ideal for travel, quick touch-ups, and on-the-go styling situations where portability and efficiency are essential. Key features. This brush operates without a cord, offering full mobility during use. It includes adjustable temperature settings that allow customization based on hair type and styling needs. The heating system is designed for quick activation to reduce waiting time. The compact structure makes it easy to carry in bags or luggage. The bristles are designed for smooth gliding while reducing frizz and improving shine during straightening. Benefits and usage. This brush allows users to maintain straight and smooth hair anytime, anywhere. It is perfect for travel or busy schedules where quick styling is required. It reduces frizz and improves manageability while offering flexibility and temperature control. Users can use it for quick touch-ups or full styling sessions, depending on battery life and settings. It ensures convenience without compromising styling results. Usability. The cordless design makes this brush extremely easy to use in any environment. Its lightweight structure ensures comfortable handling. The ergonomic grip supports stable control during styling. It is suitable for quick daily use and travel routines. The portable design makes it convenient for users who need styling flexibility outside home environments. Durability. Built with rechargeable battery technology and heat-resistant materials, this brush is designed for repeated use over time. The battery system maintains performance stability with proper charging cycles. The bristles and heating components are designed for long-term reliability under frequent styling conditions.
Claiming the 7th spot, we have Kikuo Steam Hair Straightener Brush. The Kikuo Steam Hair Straightener Brush is designed for users who want moisture-infused straightening performance that reduces dryness and heat damage. It focuses on steam-based technology that helps maintain hair hydration while smoothing and straightening strands. This brush is ideal for users with dry, frizzy, or damaged hair who need gentle styling combined with moisture protection during heat application. Key features. This brush uses steam technology that releases controlled moisture during straightening to protect hair from excessive dryness. The heating system works alongside steam output to create smooth and soft results. The bristles are designed for even distribution of heat and steam across hair strands. Multiple temperature settings allow customization based on hair condition and styling needs. The structure supports efficient detangling and smoothing during use. Benefits and usage. This brush helps users achieve straight, soft, and hydrated hair while reducing frizz and heat damage. It is especially beneficial for dry or chemically treated hair types. The steam function helps maintain moisture balance, resulting in smoother and healthier looking hair. Users can slowly glide through sections for controlled straightening with enhanced softness and shine. Usability. The Kikuo steam brush is designed for simple operation and comfortable handling. Its ergonomic structure ensures stability during styling sessions. The steam function is easy to activate and control. It works well for medium to long hair lengths and is suitable for users who want gentle but effective straightening results. Durability. Built with steam-resistant components and heat-stable materials, this brush is designed for long-term performance. The internal steam system maintains functionality over repeated use. The heating structure remains stable over time, ensuring consistent styling results.
Coming in at number 8, the LANDOT Straightener Negative Straightening Frizz-Free Brush. The LANDOT Straightener Negative Straightening Frizz-Free Brush is designed for users who want advanced negative ion technology combined with frizz control and smooth straightening performance. It focuses on reducing static electricity while sealing moisture inside the hair strand to create a sleek and polished finish. This brush is ideal for users who deal with frizz, humidity-related puffiness, and dry texture, and want a controlled styling solution that improves shine and softness during everyday use without harsh heat damage effects. Key features: this brush integrates negative ion technology that helps neutralize static and lock moisture into hair strands during styling. The heating system is designed for even temperature distribution to prevent overheating in specific areas. The bristles are coated to reduce friction and improve glide through tangled hair. It includes fast heating capability for efficient daily styling. Multiple temperature levels allow customization for different hair types and styling needs while maintaining consistent straightening performance. Benefits and usage: this brush helps users achieve smooth, shiny, and frizz-free hair with reduced styling effort. It improves hair texture by sealing cuticles and reducing moisture loss during heat exposure. It is especially useful in humid environments where frizz control is difficult. Users can section hair and slowly glide the brush from root to tip for even straightening. It enhances natural shine while maintaining a soft and natural straight finish. Usability: the LANDOT brush is easy to operate and suitable for users of all experience levels. Its ergonomic handle provides stable grip during styling sessions. The bristle design allows smooth detangling while straightening at the same time. It works effectively on medium to thick hair types and supports quick styling routines for daily use. The interface is simple and temperature adjustments are easy to control.
And finally, we have Infiniti Tension Control Straightening Technology Brush. The Infiniti Tension Control Straightening Technology Brush is designed for users who want controlled tension during styling, combined with smooth straightening performance. It focuses on balancing heat and brushing tension to reduce hair breakage while improving straightening efficiency. This brush is ideal for users with fragile, thick, or tangled hair who need controlled styling pressure for smoother and safer results during regular use. Key features: this brush includes tension control technology that adjusts pressure during styling to reduce hair pulling and breakage. The heating system ensures even temperature distribution across all bristles for smooth straightening results. The bristle design is engineered for gentle detangling while applying controlled heat. It includes multiple heat settings for flexible styling options. The structure supports quick heating for efficient daily use. Benefits and usage: this brush helps users achieve smooth and straight hair while reducing stress on hair strands. It improves hair strength appearance by minimizing breakage during styling. It is especially useful for thick or tangled hair that requires controlled tension. Users can glide the brush slowly through sections for even straightening while maintaining natural softness and shine. It delivers consistent salon-style results with reduced effort. Usability: the Infiniti brush is designed for easy handling and comfortable use. The ergonomic grip ensures stability during styling sessions. The tension control system works automatically during brushing, reducing manual pressure requirements. It is suitable for users of all skill levels and performs well on medium to long hair types. It delivers consistent and predictable results for daily styling routines.